If you're a poultry farmer right now, then you already know the pain. Feed prices keep rising every single month. No matter how well you plan your budget, the feed bill always finds a way to swallow most of your profits. And honestly, it's not always the fault of feed manufacturers. Maize, the major ingredient in poultry feed, has become extremely expensive. And when maize price rises, everything else follows. But imagine something. What if we could replace part of maize, the most expensive ingredient, with something cheap, available everywhere, completely natural, and something we literally throw away every day? What if that simple thing could still give your birds the energy they need to grow fast, strong, and healthy? In today's video, I'm going to show you how banana peel powder can replace maize in broiler and local chicken feed without reducing performance or affecting bird health. You'll learn how the experiment was done, the results, the safest inclusion level, and how you can apply the same method on your farm. Before we dive in, remember to like this video, comment where you're watching from, and subscribe for more proven, natural poultry solutions. Let's begin. Banana peels. Yes, the same peels that end up in the dustbin might be the hidden ingredient that will cut your feed cost while keeping your chickens productive. Banana peels make up 18 to 20% of the whole fruit, meaning if your household eats bananas daily, you're already throwing away almost 1/5 of a useful feed resource. Hey farmers, quick break before we continue. If you've been struggling to boost your broiler weight gain or keep your birds healthy naturally, I've got something powerful for you. I just released my new ebook, From Chicks to Cash, a step-by-step guide for profitable broiler production. Inside, I share proven feeding strategies, natural remedies that help your birds grow faster and stronger, and practical marketing tips to help you sell for maximum profit. It's a complete guide, from feeding to disease control to sales. Everything you need to raise broilers the right way. And the best part? It comes with a free bonus ebook packed with must-know poultry success strategies. You can get your copy today by messaging me on WhatsApp +2 34706 071 7591, or simply click the online link in the description or pinned comment to order right now. From Chicks to Cash, your shortcut to profitable poultry farming. Here's what science shows. Banana peels contain 0.9% crude protein, 1.7% crude fat, 59% carbohydrates, 32% crude fiber, plus calcium, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, zinc, and antioxidants. This means banana peels are rich in energy, and they can substitute a portion of maize when processed properly. They don't replace protein ingredients like soybean meal, but they provide clean, natural energy, minerals, and antioxidants that support growth and general health. Now the question is, does it work in real life, or is it just theory? Let's look at the study. Poultry scientists in Nigeria carried out a detailed research project to test exactly how banana peel powder affects broilers. Here's how they did it. 200 broiler chickens were used. These birds were brooded normally for the first 7 days using standard chick starter feed. From the second week onward, maize in the feed was partially replaced with banana peel powder at 0% control group, 5%, 10%, 15%. Everything else in the feed stayed the same. The ingredients included maize for the control group, full-fat soybean, bone meal, limestone, methionine, salt, and vitamin mineral premix. The peels were 1. Collected from local markets, since they're always available for free. 2. Thoroughly washed. 3. Sun-dried completely until crisp. 4. Ground in a fine powder. Drying was extremely important because wet peels can grow mold and toxins. The researchers monitored average daily weight gain, total feed intake, blood parameters, mortality, final live weight, cost per kilogram of feed. They also ensured chicks received the correct crude protein, 22% for starter and 19% for finisher. so the results would be valid. Now here is where things get very interesting. 1. Weight gain. The control group, 0% banana peel, gained around 41 g per day. The birds fed 5% banana peel gained slightly less but still maintained healthy growth. The 10% banana peel group performed almost exactly the same as the control birds, also gaining around 41 g per day. This means 10% banana peel gave equal performance to full maize feed. But when inclusion was pushed to 15%, everything changed. Weight gain dropped sharply. Feed conversion became poor. Mortality increased. Birds became less active. Final weights were significantly lower. Mortality reached about 33%, which is unacceptable for any farmer. Conclusion from growth results. The safe and effective inclusion level is 10% banana peel powder in broiler feed. This gives good growth, healthy birds, lower feed cost, no performance loss. 2. Feed cost analysis. Even though the performance of the 10% inclusion birds remained the same, the cost of feed dropped because banana peels are free. This means every kilogram of feed becomes cheaper, and your birds grow just as well. For farmers feeding 100 birds, 200 birds, even 1,000 birds, this small difference becomes a major financial advantage. How you can use banana peel powder on your farm. Here is how to prepare it. 1. Collect banana peels. 3. Sun-dry completely, no moisture left. 4. Grind into fine powder. 5. Store in airtight containers. Recommended inclusion level. Up to 10% replacement of maize in broiler feed. Local chickens can tolerate slightly higher amounts. Important warning. Do not use moldy or half-dry banana peels. Do not exceed 10% for broilers. Do not replace protein ingredients, only maize. So what does this mean for you as a farmer? It means that you can produce quality feed at lower cost. Heavy check mark, you can use a free local mark, you can maintain strong growth performance. Heavy check mark, you can improve bone strength and immunity. Heavy check mark, you can reduce financial pressure during times of high maize prices. This is one of the simplest and most practical natural feed innovations any farmer can adopt. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments if you'd like a video on banana leaf, banana stem, or banana flower in poultry feed. See you in the next video.